go. Here we go. Good morning. Well, I guess it's not morning anymore. Hopefully this comes in pretty good. Boy, that damn wind is something terrible today. I'm over here in Illinois, headed towards Ohio. Yeah. Old commie state, Ohio. If you guys like these videos, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, by God. The reason for the video is autonomous trucks. I just seen one over in Iowa headed west. I seen the things coming off the side of it. It was coming down. It was just before I got to Iowa 80 there. I seen some stuff coming off the side, just above the door. Oh hell, good 2 foot out the side of the truck up there above the door. And you can tell down the road a ways that it's coming off both sides. Guy come by, I seen him on the other side of the highway there. He had his arm up on the door jamb and he had a tablet, just both hands on the tablet, just reading away. I don't know I can do that. There's a lot of guys all up in here about that. Heck, there's so much of this damn industry that you ain't gonna be able to use that autonomous shit. Hell, look at all the cars. You know, they've had that technology out for I don't know how long. How many people actually use it? How many cars is actually, it doesn't have in there? I guess there's a few cars with that automatic parallel parking crap. I don't really think it's going to matter much to me by the time I retire. Shit. Besides that, we don't do that long haul stuff. As far as East Coast, West Coast. You still got to have 2 people in the damn truck to do that. You only got 14 hours on your clock. You're not driving, but yet you're on duty. So you only got 14 hours. You're going to have 2 guys in there. 2 guys, 2 gals. Guy and a girl, whatever. Back in the day, used to have all those places where they come out and fill you up. They don't do that shit anymore. Besides that, to get off the interstate to go to the deal, you gotta have a guy driving it anyway. But I don't know how cost effective that shit's gonna be anyway. But like I said, I ain't too worried about it. Kind of looks kind of neat, seeing it. But in the case with, I don't know how all that's gonna work. Like the other night, I was coming across. Out of Nebraska, and you couldn't see the damn lines in the road. You can't see the lines in the road. That damn equipment ain't gonna see the lines in the road. So the driver's gonna have to drive. I guess it's kind of like the damn airplanes. They got pilot and a co-pilot. They got that, and one of them's got to be at the ready in case something happens. It'd be about the same thing. On that Facebook thing, there was a guy saying, "Oh, it's the same thing as a train. There's one truck here, or one train here, and a little bit back here, there's another train with nobody in it." I don't know if that's true or not, but if it is, a truck, a plane, and a train, totally different. A lot of difference between a plane and a truck, but there's more similarities between a plane and a truck than a plane and a truck and a train. Train can only go where them tracks go. Period. So, to the guy that's saying that they're trying to do with trucks like they do with trains, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. But, yeah. Autonomous. For the debate's sake, I don't mind talking about it. But as far as it really affected me and what I do, I'm not really worried about it. Got a big truck coming on. Yeah, as you can see with my videos, the last video I put out some road footage. I just took a small section and threw it on there. I'll try something a little different next time I do that. Some kind of music or audio or something, you know. I'll play with it a little bit. But yeah. But as far as that autonomous trucks go, I won't be buying one. Probably couldn't afford it anyway. Hell, I won't even buy a new truck. Hope everybody's day's going good. Yeah, our direct call, they's trying to send us some dang place we didn't really want to go. We knew the rates were going to suck coming back out, so we declined it. And I don't even know where it was. I can't remember now. Little woman told me, but they offered this Ohio run. And we get fairly decent, pretty good rate going over to Ohio, but ain't really finding much anything coming back worth a darn to brag about, really. So we probably won't be doing Ohio as much. And maybe once a year progresses a little bit, maybe it'll be a little better. But right now, looks like the rate's coming back this way. But she's still in the infant stages of booking, so something might pop up. Never know. Autonomous. About like that autonomous car that, I don't know, that old boy driving that autonomous car killed himself or what, but there was a truck on the highway turning and he was going pretty damn fast, and the autonomous vehicle didn't register that trailer going across the highway. Boom, right into it. I don't know if it killed him or not. Hope not. But that's just a prime example of, you know, just because you got it doesn't mean it's good. Not all technology is progress. You know? Leave me a comment. Tell me what your thoughts are. I don't much care one way or the other about the autonomous. I don't think it's really going to affect me much. And by the time I retire, I don't think there's going to be that many out here. You know, if it was all that damn great, you'd see Walmart having a ton of them out here. I haven't heard of Walmart having any. We go into a lot of Walmarts. So, alrighty. Old YouTube. I'm going to cut this off. And again, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, by God. You guys have a good one, and I'll throw another video out here later. Good day.